In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use a Lidl gift card. If you have a Lidl gift card, you can use it to pay for eligible items at participating Lidl stores. Before you shop, it's a good idea to check the available balance on a gift card so you know how much you have to spend. Depending on your country, you may be able to check the balance online through the Lidl app or by asking a store associate at the checkout. Once you have finished shopping, head to the checkout with your items. When it's time to pay, let the cashier know that you would like to use a Lidl gift card. Present your physical gift card, or if your country supports it, show your digital gift card or barcode from the Lidl app. The cashier will scan the card or enter the card details to apply the available balance to your purchase. If a gift card balance is enough to cover the full purchase amount, the transaction will be completed and any remaining balance will stay on the card for future use. If a purchase total is more than the balance available on your gift card, don't worry. In most participating stores, you can simply pay the remaining amount using another accepted payment method such as debit or credit card or cash. And that's it. This is how you can easily use a Lidl gift card. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.